Hello friends, earlier we have learned how to scale the number of which are near to the base 100 or 1000. Now today we are going to learn a Vedic math decimal scale trick. As you see on a board, there are numbers with decimals. What happen mostly students to solve these questions, they use conventional method of scaling these numbers. But I will tell you the very shortcut and Vedic maths method to solve these problems in a single line. Now go for first question. We see that the decimal is 4.12. There are two digits after the decimal and square of that. So how we do that? First we take the square of 4 before decimal, that is 16. After that there are two digits in 12. So we take square of a 12. Now square of 12 is 144. But we won't take 144 because we know that after decimal there will be 4 digits. After decimal there will be 4 digits. So we write it as a 0, 1, 4, 4. Now next step is multiply these two numbers. 12 into 4, it is 48. Double the number, it is 96. We will add this 96 in this number. How? Leaving the last two digit, leaving the two digit from the right side, we write this 96. We write this 96, then add it. It is 44, 7, 9, 1, 6. Now this should be the answer if there should be no decimal. But now it is a decimal, so we write the decimal is before two digits, so we write 4 digits, we left it. This should be the answer of 4.12 square. Very simple, very easy. I have taken time because I am explaining, but we can, after practice, we can do in a single line. Another question, 5.13. Same logic, we take square of 5, it is 25. Then square of 13 is 169, but we don't take 169 because we know there are 4 digits, so we write it as 0169. Again, just like here in first question, we multiply 13 into 5 is 65. Double the number, 130. Add this 130 to this, leaving these two digits, it is 130. Right? Their answer will be 691,362. This should be the answer if it is not decimal. But once there is a decimal, we write 26.3169. One more question we will try. 2.21 square. Same logic. We take square of a 2. 4. 21 into 21. It is 441. So, but there are 3 digits. We take 4 digits. It is 441. Again, we multiply these two numbers. 21 into 2, it is 42. Again, we double the number. It is 84. Leaving 2 digits, we write 84. Add it, 41884. Now, there are 4 digits. We have to decimal before 4 digits, so it is 448. It's very simple, very easy. You can do this question in one line. Now, one question I am giving for you, 7.13 square. Please solve it and comment on it. Thank you.